Hi, I'm Anirin M. Talam, 43 years old. I have 4 children. I'm living in Pantalan Luma, Orani, Bataan.
Are you married?
Yes, I'm married, but now I'm separate.
Okay. How many siblings do you have?
I have two siblings. I'm a firstborn in the family.
Tell me something about your educational background.
My educational background is undergraduate in college. My course is secretary.
Do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, I have experience abroad in Qatar. 2016 to until 2018.
Okay. For how many years and what country?
Finished my contract 2 years. I'm working in my madam, make clean the house and wash the clothes. Also, I cooking.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
Myself, I'm honest, and then also hardworking, and I have a pure heart.
Do you have any tattoo?
No,
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
no.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad because my reason is I want to support my children until they finish study.
Okay. Are you scared of dogs and cats?
Yes.
Can you give us your idea on how you handle a naughty child or children with tantrums?
I give a toy or I give food, and then I play a children
Can you sing us a nursery song?
little bit.
Okay.
I'm H-A-P-P-Y. I'm H-A-P-P-Y. I know I am. I'm sure I am. I'm H-A-P-P-Y.
What is your message to your future employer?
Hi, good day to my employer. I give my hard working, and then I command all rules my employer, and then I give all my best, and until